Hello guys, today we will be playing Roblox Natural Disasters with my little brother, Samuel. Samuel, say hi.
Hi. But I started my video first.
Yeah, he started his first, but it's my video too, so
I told you guys.
there's nothing you can
This
do
video
about that
is
one,
going to
so.
be called Playing Roblox with My Brother. So
Look it up. Well, shut up. If they're watching this video, then they're watching this video.
they're going to watch my video. Nobody likes acid rain. Yay, I'm indoors.
You're cold-blooded, Sam.
No.
Just adjusting my screen. I just had to adjust my screen.
I died.
It's because you suck at this.
I don't suck. You suck?
I'm better than you. Oh, you saying I suck? You swallow. You do swallow. Because you swallow. It's just something that people do.
Swallow anything. Swallow water. And food.
I'm telling you, you swallow.
Swallow water and food.
I'm still trying to adjust my screen. It's not letting me.
I've requested everybody on this
server.
Yep.
See, yeah, my brother's dumb like that.
Hey, I'm not dumb.
I'm not worse. Yeah, he's
I don't want my viewers to know.
You don't want your viewers to know what?
Viewers.
That you're cold-blooded?
I'm not cold-blooded.
You just got roasted, brother. Yeah, doom. You got clapped.
Yeah,
No, don't. Quit being dumb. You are dumb.
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Cinco.
Seis.
There's no seis in this.
Siete. I'm just kidding. I'm never gonna say it again.
What's siete?
Siete. I know, I'm not stupid.
Weather machine.
What?
Lucky Mart. I want to go to Lucky Mart.
Lucky Mart is where we drive cars. Oh, no.
No, that.
No, I know.
You're dumb. You're dumb in his pocket.
Yeah, what? Sorry, guys, I wasn't paying attention to you. How much time do you have left, Sam?
I can't look.
Cause you'll die. Yeah, that face is annoying.
Hulu.
Emily Julia. What?
Get out.
Gotcha, criminal scum.
Criminal scum.
Oh, God, I just.
His name is Criminal Scum.
Hey, criminal scum.
Hey, what's in this vent? What's in this vent?
Alright. What did I do?
Tsunami! Get to higher grounds. It's a tsunami! Tsunami!
I might have did something wrong, Sammy.
Yeah. It's a tsunami. Yay. I'm
A
on top
tsunami.
of everybody.
A
Sorry,
tsunami!
dude, but I'm on top of your head. And, oh,
Wait,
no!
there's a
I'm
tsunami?
falling off. Yes, there's a tsunami.
I didn't see it. It didn't show me. Oh, crap. I know where it is. I see it. I need to go high.
I'm already high.
I'm not high. Are you high?
Yes, I'm high.
You're not high.
Look at me.
You don't smoke. You're not high.
No, not like that.
Uh-oh, we're going to start flying in 3, 2, 1. We're going to start
That's a
flying.
tsunami.
We just got collapsed. I'm going on this thing. I don't
what's
want
up?
to die.
Oh!
I don't want to die today. I just want to be alive.
That one smashed me.
I'm still alive and I didn't take any damage.
survived.
I didn't take any damage.
I survived.
I didn't even take it. What the heck? I didn't even take any damage. Bro, the lag.
I've survived and I have no lag.
That dude just jumped in the tsunami. I just saw him. He was like up there and he went,
Where they?
wee! That guy just
No,
jumped in
are
the
we?
tsunami.
Are you? Yeah, okay. There's only 5 people surviving. No, 6. This dude.
Ah!
What happened?
I messed up.
This dude is in the ground.
I just wanted to be like that.
No, look at my screen. This dude is in the ground. Yeah, I came in.
He just got exterminated.
I came in 3rd place.
I came in second. Who's Snail?
Snail.
That's weird. Snail Nail. That's what it's called. His name is Snail Nail.
Let's see who's on the border.
What?
See Twin Toes Sam.
Am I up there? Yeah, I'm up there. I'm right there.
Where am I?
I'm on level 36. I have 36 survivors.
Where am I? I'm not even on the board.
Yeah, how's that guy already flying,
I'm
bro?
getting in
Like,
the
that's
tank.
impossible.
This
I'm getting in
tank.
this tank. This tank is awesome. Get in there. Yeah, boy!
Get in there.
Could I actually shoot? Oh, no, I think it's SR now. Oh,
Let me get in.
the guy's driving.
Dude, let me get in.
Samuel, look! Look at my screen. This is cool. Yeah, you guys can see all of it.
I'm driving.
I don't want to go in there.
I'm driving. Wait, this
What
dude
is it? Acid
driving?
rain?
How's this dude driving? I could drive.
Because I'm like almost dead.
Ah! I died.
I didn't. I'm going to stay next to this place.
We'll be right back.
Body, haha. Oh, I'm alive? What the heck? Look how much damage I have on me. How did I survive? Oh crap, I'm leaving. I'm
I
not.
have 8 minutes.
I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 minutes.
Yep.
Alright, how am I supposed where is it? Where's it to? Ah!
This is 15 minutes long.
I'm gonna survive. And look how much health I have. You could see it in the screen camera. I didn't want to show it. But I didn't die. I'm not dead.
And
I am the chosen one. I'm just kidding.
but no one. You're
I'm still alive.
Easter egg hat.
I did not even want to show that. Oh, I don't think you.
Oh, you know.
How am I still alive?
Your Easter egg hat is out.
Oh yeah, that.
Oh, you jump off?
I know. I want my head.
Okay.
I don't even care if I didn't survive it. I want to be on the leaderboard still. Is my head back on?
Stop.
I was not.
Is your head back on?
I don't know.
Okay. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Let's see who's on the leaderboard. I'm not even on the leaderboard!
Yeah, you see that face that's on my face, guys? That's called.
How come I'm not on the leaderboard?
Am I not dead? Oh, I'm not dead. All right, that's good. That's
How
good.
come I'm not on the leaderboard?
Because it just didn't want you on the leaderboard.
You're not the chosen one.
Thank you, guys. Now you guys are on. You could see my whole entire screen because I made it like that. You see, I'm moving my face. Ha ha.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it back to where it was. All right, there. Now let's play.
You should put that down there.
Okay. Should I? Or should I not?
Yeah, you should.
Alright, I will. Heck? What's wrong with it?
What's wrong with you? Nothing. What's wrong?
Alright, guys, I'm putting you guys down here. You guys are in the bottom corner. Alright, that's cool.
Actually, I'm
Tsunami, go to higher ground. I don't want to go to a higher ground. This is stupid.
It's a tsunami. Shouldn't there be a faster?
Yeah, guys, I'm just staring at you, and you should look at the screen too because I'm doing good.
Help.
I don't want to drown. Are you on the roof? Can you go on the roof? I'm on here, Sam. I'm like the chosen one.
I'm the chosen one. No, I'm gonna be on the first floor because I'm moving a lot.
Look at me on the thing. I'm jumping. I'm on somebody's head and I'm.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Run, people!
It didn't even go. It didn't even hit me.
Citizens!
Is this even?
Citizens!
What the heck?
Did you die? No!
Did you guys see what happened?
It's shaky! That's not fair!
Go hit the replay button,
Not
guys.
fair!
Because you guys will see exactly what happened. And you will get my reaction. You will get my reaction.
Go back 10 seconds.
Go back
We'll
about
see
15
what
seconds,
happens.
and I got just boom
Press
straight.
J. If you have a computer, press J twice. And now go back.
If you go back, press the back button if you have a computer, and press the type it twice like that. Type it like this twice. Boom boom, like oh no, this way. Boom boom, like that, and then it'll go back 5 seconds. Do that twice, and you'll see what happened. You'll see
Press the
exactly
J button.
what happened.
Press the J button.
I'm a boss of this game. That's why I keep getting friend requests.
Press the J button right now 4 times and see what happens.
You're going back 40 seconds. No, right?
I don't care. Yes. No. Go back 20 seconds. Press J twice, and you'll see what happens. Happen.
Now I think I have the whole
It
entire.
happens to be a good day.
It's gonna be a good life, but I don't want to die today.
Me either.
Yeah, me neither. That's why I'm going up here.
Me too.
I
Noah!
think it's
You
actually.
pushed me up.
Why do I keep
It's
getting
a tornado.
damage? No, it's just sandstorm.
Oh no, I died!
Ah ha 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 ha!
I
That's
jumped
funny.
off.
That's funny.
I jumped off. Oh no, you should look on the windows on my computer.
What? Windows. What windows? Dodge flying objects. Yeah, that guy's gonna die. That guy's
No,
gonna
look
die.
up.
Snail snot. He's gonna die sitting outside like it's a beautiful day and it's not. So you guys think that I'm cool? You think I'm good at this game, guys? You don't even know. I've played a lot. I was just lying to you guys. You guys thought. You shut up. I'm going back outside.
I have 2 more minutes.
I want to get the challenge. I'm going outside, guys. Oh crap!
I have 2 more minutes.
Holy schnog!
If you guys don't know, I'm making another video after this video that I'm making.
Me too.
But I'm about to end my video, so...
Yeah, I'll see him later. That will be the end of it, guys. I will die, please. I didn't take any fall damage.
Oh, you died.
Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys later. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.